Hello all and welcome back to my channel Coding Keda. First of all, I wanted to say sorry to all my viewers because I am making this video after a long time. The reason is I am too much busy with my office work. So finally it's done, and fortunately today I get time to make very interesting video for all of you guys. So before wasting time, let's move forwards. So today's video is regarding Notepad++ use from coding point of view. So if you are a student or a developer, any one of us use Notepad++ in our daily life cycle. So I have taken a very interesting points from this Notepad++, and we will see how we can use Notepad++ effectively in our coding skill. Okay, so the first point I am show you this selection replace. If you see here, I will open my Notepad++ as well. So if you see here, I have created a few text file here. This log1, log2, log3, log4, log5. I am showing 5 different things of Notepad++. So that's why I have already created this 5 logs file. So if you see here, our first task is selection replace. So if you see in this case, log1 txt file, there are 2 paragraph. This is the one. This is second one. So there is a inbuilt functionality inside Notepad++ which will replace particular string with different string. Suppose if you wanted to replace this log4j with another thing like log4j2, so what you have to do, you have to select particular paragraph, not a string. After you select this much line, you have to replace log4j to a different value in the particular selection text. So what you have to do, you have to select this particular line. After that, you have to press Ctrl F, which is a shortcut for find. Once it is done, you have to click on this replace button. After that, you have to add here find what. So I have to change log4j. Okay, log4j I have to change with log4j2. Suppose if you are aware about this log4j, actually log4j is deprecated because there is a vulnerability issue is coming inside this log4j, and currently any software like PTC Windshield, Siemens Team Center, all are using log4j2 onwards because log4j has something issue with security. So if you see here, I am changing this log4j to log4j2. Okay, once it is done, if you see here, there is a one selection box. So if you not select in selection, then it will replace this log4j to log4j2 into your entire log4j1 txt file. Okay, I will show you that also. So before that, we will click on we hit on this in selection button. So once it is done, we have to hit on the replace all. So it will replaces this log4j with log4j2. If you see here, earlier there is log4j, now it is replaced with log4j2. Suppose I will do here undo. Okay, so now I am doing instead of clicking on this in selection button, I will replace. I will not click anything here, and I will replace in entire of my folder. So if I hit on replace button, it will change all log4j to log4j2 files. See, all get replaced. Okay, so this is the first very interesting thing about Notepad++, very interesting operation about this Notepad++. So we will move towards our next. So second point is word wrap. Actually this is also one interesting word wrap thing is there. So if you see here in log for this I have created another log2 txt file. So if you see here, there is a very long text inside your Notepad++ file. Okay, so it will be difficult for a developer or a programmer to read this long text. So for this, you don't need to do anything. You have to just click on this word wrap button. So it is here. If you click on this word wrap button, it will automatically wrap all these strings in a readable format. Okay, this is just a small thing but very important things. Okay, this is second operation. So third is add a new line with regular expression. Okay, fine. So if you see here in log3 file, so what I wanted to do, this is a one a long string. So what I wanted, after this dot, or wherever the statement is ending, I want the second line is in the new line. Okay, so for that I can use regular expression which is provided inside Notepad++. Again you have to hit on Control F. Okay, so once it is done, you have to click on this replace button. So what you have to do now, so here what I have to replace this space with new line. Okay, so for that, what if I do this space with new line, it will create one new line for here. Okay, so I will use this one. Okay, fine, and I am replacing with /n. Okay, okay, once it is done, what will happen, this dot space will get replaced with /n. Okay, and you have to click on this extended also, which will hit which will replace this dot space with /n. Actually dot will get removed from this, so I have to put here dot also, dot/n. Now what will happen, dot space will get replaced with dot/n. Okay, I have to hit on replace all. So if you see here, after dot, wherever statement is ending, it is creating new line. Okay, earlier there is only one string, now you are seeing three string. This is a very interesting thing about regular expression with this extended keyword. Actually it is not a regular expression, it is an extended keyword. We can use regular expression in our next video. It is just a new line with extended keyword. Okay, it is not a regular expression. Okay, the second thing is done. Third in find in files. Okay, fine. So find in files, so what I have to do, I have to search log4j in which file it is used. So if you see here, log4j is used at multiple files. So I want to check log4j is used in out of 5 files, wherever it is used this particular string. Okay, so for that I have to hit again Control F. So here there is a third option, find in files. Okay, so I have to search log4j. So find what log4j, remove any replace all if it is there. And yeah, you can use a filter also. If you are doing coding in Java, then you have to search particular function inside Java, then you can put here .java. Otherwise you can search in all star, it will search in all files. So here you have to provide in which directory you have to search this log4j. So I'm provided this f to video 5. Okay, so once it is done, you have to click on find all. Okay, so if you see here, I will zoom in. Okay, so if you see here now, we have given this log4j. So it is checking all this log4j. Actually it is log4j2, but it is we have not case is not actually only that particular string we have not mentioned. That's why it is showing log4j 2 also. Actually it is not showing 2, but log4j it is there inside this, that's why it is showing. So if you see here, there is log4j, whatever files is log4j, it is showing this all these things. Okay, fine. So this is one thing. Okay, I will close this. Okay, so in previous case we are seeing now this we are getting log4j2 also. If you see here, Control F, find in files, log4j. Okay, find all. Okay, if you see here, we are getting log4j2 now. There is another thing is here in find in files. If we add this match whole word only, then I think you will get only sorry, find in files, log4j, match case, and find all. Now you are seeing only log4j. Earlier it is showing log4j2 also. Okay, we have added this match hold word only, that's why it is showing only log4j only. Okay, find all. Okay, only four things are it is showing. Okay, last thing is vertical selection. Okay, this is a very interesting thing. I like this very much. So if we go to this log 5, so it is okay, fine. So what we want, we know this horizontal selection. Anyone of us know this horizontal selection, but if you want to remove this particular thing vertically, okay, from this Notepad plus plus, so there is very interesting shortcut. Shift Alter, we have to select first these things. So we have to once it is done, we have to select this all this string as a vertically. So we have to click on Shift Alter and just mouse down, sorry, mouse down and page down. Okay, so it will select this particular string vertically, and you can remove this string and do operation whatever you want on the rest string. Okay, okay, this is a vertical selection. The shortcut is Shift Alter up and down arrow. Okay, so the last thing, okay, I am thinking that developer life becomes hell if there is no Notepad plus plus. If you right now we have seen there are a lot of things we can do with Notepad plus plus. So this video is small tribute to Notepad plus plus. Okay, so see you in the next video.